So sangria is originally from Spain. So sangria is basically a drink for mass, and this sangria is supposed to be kept overnight. This drink was made. It was made with an intent to have the intake of the water lesser. Why? Because contamination of water, that was what was seen at those point in time, and we did not have technology or scientific methods नहीं था उसको कैसे purify करेगा. तो purification करने के लिए उस इरादे से sangria was evolved. Sangria got evolved into. So, they thought that by adding wine into it, alcohol, the bacteria that was present maybe probably die or vanish. That was the whole idea of making sangria, right? And that continued, and then it passed on from one continent to another. Today, sangria is very well known, and it's being consumed by every state, every country. Are you clear on this? So, what glass do we use? We can use any glass. That's not a problem. But the glass has to be little broader, not that very broad, but it has to be in height so that they occupy enough of your fruits, all that they have gone in making of sangria, and then it should be topped up with wine. So you'll have certain fruits that are being soaked down, and certain fruits you will find which are floating, and then it is drunk usually by directly by mouth, but you can also serve it along with a straw. Now this is what is there, it's just a garnish for presentation purpose. Ideally you don't make use of it. Now the garnishes of umbrella have gone because umbrella is no more considered to be edible, and of course the stems are always long so that you have enough space to hold, and the drink doesn't get chilled in the market when you're holding it. But when you're holding it, you make sure for the first time you don't hold it tight because you're not too sure. So normally people hold the wine like this. There are several ways of holding the wine. The base of the wine goes below the fingers, and then you hold it, and then you rest one top on top of this. तो दोनों बाजू क्या हो गया, आपको ग्रिप मिला है. ठीक है. कोई क्या करता है, इधर होल्ड करता है bottom of the glass, which is incorrect, unprofessional. Okay, we have to follow etiquette when you are among the people, when you call for the party. Drinking wine also needs etiquette.